These aren't Granny's eye drops. These are CorneaCare Recover eye drops. They feel more like skincare for your eyes. So I have contacts and my eyes get really dry all the time from working on the computer, from looking at the phone. So once you put one drop in, it's instant relief. That gritty day, tired eye feeling is gone. That's what happens when you squeeze it. And I love this because it's preservative free, it is clean, and it is designed by actual eye doctors. So you get hydration that actually lasts, and there's no burn. And this bottle is just genius. 300 drops in here, one sleek travel size design. And I love this one-way valve. It's definitely unique. And it keeps everything so fresh. One little vial and no waste. Like I said, I've been using these drops to help me with extended phone use, iPad use, laptop use, and sometimes my contacts do get dry. So this definitely helps. It leaves my eyes bright, it leaves it calm, and it leaves them alive again. Not watery, not greasy, just clear and comfortable. CorneaCare Recover isn't just another drop. This is an upgrade for anyone who wants their eyes to look as good as they feel. This video was brought to you by CorneaCare.